Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we dive into a step-by-step tutorial on setting up PostgreSQL and pgAdmin using Docker. Whether you're starting your journey with the database or looking for a clean containerized setup, this guide will get you up and running in no time. Before we dive in, don't forget to smash that like button to support the channel and help others to discover this content. Now let's get started. First, you need Docker installed on your system. If you haven't set it up yet, head over to Docker official site and download Docker Desktop for your operating system. Don't worry, the free version is all you need for this tutorial. Once Docker is installed, the first step is to pull the official PostgreSQL image. Open your terminal and type the following command. This command downloads the PostgreSQL image, which includes everything you need to run the database. You should now see the image in the Docker Desktop app under the Images tab. Next, let's create and run PostgreSQL container. Use this command. Let me break this down. Name your container for easy reference. E stands for environment. Set the database password. Don't forget to replace with your own password. And P stands for port, maps the database port for external access. And last one, D, runs the container in detached mode, so it doesn't block your terminal. You can verify the container is running by typing docker ps. Now let's set up pgAdmin, a powerful graphic user interface for managing PostgreSQL. Pull the official pgAdmin image with this command. Once download, run the container using this command. Replace my example with your own email and password. This will allow you to log into pgAdmin through your browser. You can easily access your pgAdmin through the Docker Desktop. Click over here. Once the container is running, open your browser and go to localhost 5050. Log in with the credential you set earlier. Now let's connect pgAdmin to our PostgreSQL container. Click Add New Server and fill the following details. Name PostgreSQL tutorial. On the second tab you should fill in host. Use the IP address of your PostgreSQL container. Find it by running this command. Port in our case is default. Username in our case it's Postgres. And password. And also click here to save the password. And you should see the PostgreSQL server listed on the left. Congratulations, your PostgreSQL and pgAdmin setup is ready to go. Let's test the setup, creating a new database. Right click on Databases, select Create, Database. Let's name it My Database. And click Save. Next, navigate to Database, Schema, Tables, right click on Tables, Create Table. Let's name it Users. And also add two columns. First one will be ID, type serial, let it be primary key, and also add name. It will be text. Not null. And click Save. Once your table is ready, right click it, select View, Data, View and Edit Data. All rows. Let's add sample data. And don't forget to click Save Data Changes. Here is our sample table. Finally, let's query the database from the terminal. First, connect to your container. Then switch to the database you created. And let's select everything from the table. And don't forget about semicolons. As you can see, we retrieve the data from the table. To exit from here, type exit. And that's it, you successfully set up PostgreSQL and pgAdmin with Docker, created a database and queried it. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.